Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create Sunburst chart and a tree map. This is the dataset that we are going to use for this. This Sunburst chart is used to display hierarchical data in a circular format. It is a gateway to present relational data in a compact form. Each level of hierarchy is represented as a ring. The chart can be used to visualize the contribution made by each subsegment in a dataset. The Sunburst chart is useful when you have multiple level of segments. It provides you pictorial presentation of how your data is spread out in different segments. So this is the data set that we are going to use. There are different genre of movies like comedy and drama, horror, and this one also is CIP. So what we want to see, so which genre of movie is contributing more, that we want to see in the form of a circle. So what we can do, so our data must be arranged like this. We must remember this kind of data. If the data is like in a horizontal form, we cannot do it. So this data has to be in tall table format. Okay, so what we can do, we have to select, then insert. We have, you can see a insert hierarchy charts. So we have to like this, and this is the sunburst priority. Or if we are not getting it, we can go to recommended charts. Then we have all charts option. Then we have also sunburst option is also there. This is the options we are getting. Then we can select this, then okay. So we are getting this. Okay, we are getting this. Let us enlarge a little more. Okay, so you can see by looking at this chart, sunburst chart, so you can see horror movie contributes more. These are the names of the movie. First level of data hierarchy is genre. You can see this is genre. So in the inside circle, we have horror, comedy, drama, and this horror. As far as horror is that concerned, so these are the horror movies. Okay, so almost close to 50%. If you see ticket sale or ticket sales are for horror movie, close to that. It is not exactly, it could be like 47 48% like that it will be. So it is followed by comedy, okay, then followed by drama, then it is. So this is how we can see. Suppose we want to write the chart title, we can also write, right? So movie, we can write performance of different genre of movie movies. Okay, we can write it. Suppose we want to write, we can write. So we have also some of the more option. Let us also explore. So here is a border. Okay, we have a border here. So here, so this is also, you can see. So depending on our choice, we can use, these are the different styles, chart styles. Okay, or we suppose we want to change the color like this. This is by default it has taken. So single color we want to use, you can see. Okay, so all these options we can also explore. There are also chart elements. We can also, chart title is there, data label also it is there at the center. We have used then legend. Suppose we want to change the legend, we can also always do this. These explores we can always uh, explore. Okay, then let us um, suppose we want to, this white color we want to clear, that we want to close it. So what we can do, we can create a shape. We have a circle here. Okay, so like we can create a circle. This is circle. Okay, so we can bring it here. This is circle. We can close it, fill it. This has to be done like this. Suppose we want to add the chart title here, we can also add. We suppose we want to chart change the color, we can also change it. Suppose the yellow color I want to make it, so I can make it. Then I want to write, suppose text, I want to write, I can also write text option, I can also explore. Okay, so this is how we can create it for fans of different genre of movie. So what I want to do, a legend is required because we can see this, or it is, you can also remove because inside it is already written. Okay, inside it is already written, you can delete it. Then simple, if you want to change it to a tree map chart, you can go to insert, then you have also tree map, you can also use it like this. Let us delete it. Okay, so different colors, this tree map chart in Excel displays hierarchical data in a series of rectangles. Each rectangles represents a category or a subcategory, and the size and color of the rectangle reflects the relative value or importance of that category or subcategory. We have all these things, you see. Okay. This is horror, this is comedy. Blue color printed by color, this is a comedy, this is a gray color horror, and this is drama. Okay, so suppose we want to, what we can do in chart, we can select this, then chart design, we can explore the some of the more option, data label. So data label, okay, we have it already. Then we have title, okay, title options, all these are there. We can see, we can always explore these options. Okay, you can see value is also reflecting here. Okay, so all these things we can also explore. So that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.